To believe it's perfect. It's 7th of December and just gonna cut someone's hair today. And then we're gonna get on to something festive. Shall we? Yes. You wake up. Yeah? Yeah. Now he's gonna cut hair, okay? Let's get you a little more naked. Took a turn today. By the time I got home, this one is a bit of a sick note. But now she's happy with her fairy wings. This one's asleep. We're getting some more shopping done for lemons to boost up the body. Oh. Which one? What is it? Joj, what's giraffe. Okay. Just love this vibe whenever there's lights around. Why isn't it a whole year thing? I'm on lights all the time. We even have lights on our little scooter because it's just so cute. And we're more visible in the dark. We got so much stuff going on here. So much stuff going on, Gigi. What's going on?
Firehouse. Just see if you see them.
Good morning, folks. Say good morning. Even though it's noon, and we finally made it out of the house, and it's a Monday, and Gigi's not in school. She's got enough of a cough and snot for me not to want to take her in, because she will infect everyone else. We just a view. That's right. Why do toddlers love ambulances and fire trucks and everything? I don't get it, but she does. And due to her being sick, we decided to take the easier route, stay at my mom's for at least one night, so we can just entertain ourselves there. Plus, I want to do Christmas baking. She's got a bigger kitchen, so, you know, convenient. And she's off. And she's off. And this one just sleep. And we're going Bobby's house, my mom's house, because why not? You don't seem sick to me. Christmas tree? Tak potom vidíme bonky, dobré? You always climb everything. Let me get Callum.
Yeah.
Go.
Páči a pozri ešte také.
Wow, ty sú krásny.
Páči.
Mikuláš tu bol.
Ty.
No pozri si, čo máš v taštičke. For lunch? Yeah. Okay, let's eat. Dobre? Papa. Nie, nedobrú.
Áno.
Nie.
Áno.
Nie. Christmas tree? Then she would rather do this. After you told her no 500 times. Oh. Uh-oh.
See.
Yo. You got them tea? Nice. Okay, they'll drink it. They're gonna feel better. They won't be sick anymore?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yep. This kind of day. There are kids crying. Little ones are chill, at least. But it's nice and sunny. So, there's that. Sunshine. Yay. This one keeps wanting to sit, so he's got the pillow going now. I refuse for him to be in a different pram for now, so we got the pillow. The king. Nope, nope. Giginka, you're quite high up. Hold on to me. You have to squeeze it really hard. Mm-hmm. You want more colors? Nice. Do a different color. That? How about pink? Pink? Squeeze really hard. There you go. Nice. Pretty. These look so fun. They're crazy, chaotic. Child clearly made a lot of them. Or helped me make a lot of them. That one. But they look so fun. They're colorful. I love that. Now, for the first time ever, I'm gonna make sugar cookies. This is what could go wrong. Okay, sugar cookies are on pause because I have to chill the dough. But I just made these little chocolate balls in the meantime. What are you doing? Didi, where are you? Hey. Hey, it's 10th of December. My psoriasis is struggling because I do not have my creams here at my mom's. And I'm trying to hide myself. Like, I do not want to be seen on camera. But, update. I'm trying to figure out what to do with the rest of the week. I really want to take the kids to Budapest. But they're coughing, so I don't know. We'll see. That's yours.
No.
Nie. Zamieszamy dokopy, poczekaj. Tak to przemieszasz. I już to będziemy położyć.
Boy. Hi,
Good
boy.
morning, kiddos. Good morning. By we are snotty. I mean, all of us. Even I got the snots now. But thankfully, it's just the snots. No one has fever, nothing like that. The cough is slowly going away here. So I think I'll take them on a little trip tomorrow. We're out and about anyway, so we might as well just jump on a train and go Budapest for a few hours. There's a few things I really want to get there, and I just don't have any other time to do it. So we might as well just get on a train, make a little day of it. And yeah, so we'll do that tomorrow. But today we need to reorganize Gigi's toys because the Christmas tree is going right where her toys are. So I need it to be easier for her to get the toys out while the tree is there. And yeah, we need to do some stuff so that on Saturday we can put up the tree. Hey, cutie. Hey. See ya, baby. How are you? Good? Okay. Yeah? Where did it go?
Up home.
Up home? Okay. Nás štěká, chápeš to? Každý deň nás tu cítia tí havovia. A aj tak im vadíme.
Hello, Daddy. Say hello.
Hello, Daddy. How are you? You still sleeping? Okay. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Why?
I'm a really
Good. Throw it away. Thank you.
won't.
Let's go.
Big engine.
Why? Why?
Santa Claus? This one? Do you want me to help you? Super gorgeous. You see that?
Go.
Another one? Mrs. Claus? Okay. Everyone gotta help. Everyone's helping and puking. I haven't made one of these in so long.
It's something you can't teach people. It has to be installed in you from baby age. So I'm going to install that into you, boy, okay? Me and your sisters come and do all the common plots for all common persons.
She's just 3 years old. It happens to them.
Messy here.
We're literally just trying to survive until bedtime over here. Little man's taking his last nap. Gigi had no nap. I had no nap. But Daddy has a night shift, so we're having to just chill our beans so he can rest up before he goes. Yeah,
Where does it go?
Daddy's sleeping. But tomorrow I'm taking them to Budapest. It's the festive Budapest and it's just me and the kids. So fingers crossed for me that we survive. We're only taking one pram. I don't know how we're gonna do. I'm taking a carrier for Callum and one pram so that if he's sleeping or if he's just looking around, he can be in the pram. And if Gigi gets really tired, she can go in the pram too. So hopefully we'll be okay.